Good morning, guys. Here we go. We're looking at the 10-minute chart of Apple. Each candle here, as you see, is 10 minutes of price action. Let me get our correct moving averages on here. I was working with something else earlier. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put our little trend lines at the so far the price range of our Apple today. And we're looking at taking a possible long position. In other words, looking at the price to be going up and putting the resistance up here. Looks like we have a high pivot over there. And we'll do 1,000 shares on margin with Apple to see if we could get a quick bounce to the high side. This is our 2-minute chart. Each candle is 2 minutes of price action. And the two blue dash lines are so far our price range of the morning. We just finished obviously 2 minutes of the opening morning of trading, and now we're on our second 2 minute. We got about 5 seconds left. We're inside this bar here, inside bar pattern. We just dipped under it. We'll have to see if we start pulling down, which would be bearish. We don't necessarily want that to happen. But we did gap up. As you can see, here we go. We did gap up from this candle here up to this zone. So that's a price gap that we'll have to deal with at some point in time. And then we have about minute 30 left on this current candle here. And we might be looking for a surge back up to the top. Let's see if that plays out here. Yeah, we got another minute here. What we're looking to do, if this, we have to wait until it closes and confirms, so we're not just going to, jump in, midstream on this deal, because these price ranges are very quick and violent, to one extreme or the other. So if we start trading back at the top of this candle again, that might be our, I'll go ahead, because it doesn't matter right at this point if we go lower, because we're not going to be in that trade. But if we take out the top of this candle that we're on now, on the next candle, we'll look at that long position at that point in time to maybe pop up to the top. But looks like we're rolling to the downside here. Got about 20 seconds left. I don't know if we keep going down. It looks like we might be trying to fill this gap level, but we'll see. I have a market buy, so the only thing I have to do is just click this button here on my app, and then we're in. If we get up to this range here, we will see there's not really a specific chart pattern setting up. We're just looking for momentum players to come in, and looks like they're dumping to the downside for a second there. Now we haven't taken out the low yet. This was our low over here, right where the cursor is, and we will see kind of a tight price consolidation zone right now, just a few cents difference, trading within a couple of bucks here. Normally it runs a lot hotter than it is now. I don't know if it's institutions kind of selling off a little bit into this pop this morning, or what the situation is. But it looks like we might be getting a little price momentum here. But we're just watching. There we go. We're in the blue dash line. Then we will pop another line here. This will be our, if we get a close under this candle, we'll get out on this bottom. Let me make that red so it's not so confusing. Okay, got about 15 seconds left in this candle. Okay, we're about to be out here. Come on. Okay, we're just waiting for a surge up into the top there, which we'll see if we get. Okay, almost. Okay, we're out. Out. We didn't get the top, but that's close enough. Anyway, well, that's how you do it. We got in here. We did actually get in at that 268.14, and then our market was out at 268.65. Okay, so not too bad. All right. Well, thanks for playing along, and we'll be back with you on the next one. And thanks so much for being members, and we will see you on the charts.